Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are good and fine. Fifth class, term 1, subject social. Yes, what is our lesson name? Mapping the earth. In previous class, we can explain kinds of maps. We have 4 kinds of maps. Now we will explain today directions. Today we will explain directions. East, west, north and south are the 4 major directions. The top of the map shows north, the bottom of the map shows south. To the right is east and to the left is west. In a map of India, Kashmir lies to the north while Kanyakumari is in the south. In the east is Nagaland and in the west is Rajasthan. Besides the 4 major directions, there are 4 sub-directions. They are northwest, northeast, southeast and southwest. See here, this is our directions north, south, east, west. In top of the map having north. Top of the map will having every time north and bottom of the map will be having south. Bottom of the map will be having south and the map shows the south. The right side is east. The right side is east. The right side is east and the west side the left side is west. The left side is west. See, this is our map. टॉप इन एवरी टॉप में अपने को कंपलसरी नॉर्थ रहता इन बॉटम में साउथ एंड लेफ्ट साइड वेस्ट रहता एंड राइट साइड will be east. This is our directions. We have sub directions also. That is, there are north. This is north and this is west. This is called northwest and south and east. This is called southeast and this is north and this is east. This is called northeast and another, this is south and this is west. This is the southwest. You can understand, I can hope. Our next, map scale. Maps are much smaller than the actual size of the place. They represent, for example, the ground distance between Bangalore and Chennai is around 350 km. We cannot show this exact distance on a map as it is too large. For convenience, we represent this distance by a smaller unit. For example, 1 centimeter on a map could represent 100 km in actual distance. In this case, 350 km can be shown a distance of 3.5 centimeter between two cities on a map. The relation between the distance of 2 points on a ground and their corresponding distance shows on the map is called the scale of the map. A map without a scale would not be useful. Now we will explain map scales. Map scale अपन पेपर पे कैसा फाइंड आउट करते हैं मैप्स को. हाउ विल find out smaller place or lesser place. We see, for example, the ground distance between Bangalore and Chennai, it is 365 km. Bangalore से चेन्नई तक 350 किलोमीटर्स है. तो अपन उस पेपर पे कैसा डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करते. वी कैन नॉट शो दिस एग्जैक्ट डिस्टेंस ऑन पेपर बट simply we can identify that it is convenience. We represent this distance by smaller unit. For example, 1 centimeter on a map could represent 100 kilometers. In actual distance in this case 350 kilometers. We can find out 350 kilometers. Distance. The distance of 3.5 centimeters between two cities on a map. The relation between the distance of a 2 point on the ground and their corresponding. अपन 2 point distance कितना distance है one state to another state. Bangalore to Chennai 350 kilometers. What we call अपन कैसा centimeter find out करते. 1 centimeter on a map could represent 100 kilometer. 350 kilometer बोल तो 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. We can find out like this. A map without shown on a map is called scale of a map. A map without a scale would not be useful. Would not be. Yes, I hope you can understand these directions and map scales. Today your homework is directions, east, west, north, south, and you should write these sub directions also. Sub directions, northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. You should write this homework one time and send to in group. Okay, thank you.